I just thought to do this video to show everybody how to change a cigarette lighter socket in a van, a motorhome or a car. As I say, I've got mine at the moment, but I'm changing it for one reason, because I've got two. I bought a little socket here which is a USB charging port for like sort of phones or laptops, anything like that, for when you're driving and stuff like that. It's just the only reason why I got this from Amazon. I got free delivery because I'm an Amazon Prime member, which I paid the extra for. It's just that I've got two sockets, as you can see here. I've got one there and one next to it, which this one here is the old one, original one. This has been put in, I think, before from the previous owner. But this one here, it's a bit faulty, so I don't really use that one, but this one seems to be okay. So I wanted to replace this one with this new USB car charging point plug socket, and hopefully it should just go straight in and connect straight up. Now this is what you get in the box. You get the lead, which has got positive and negative. It's got a little fuse on there as well, and then you get the two prongs that fit onto the bottom of the USB socket, sorry, the positive and negative, and then this is the port, which is USB, which opens up and it lights up. I think I've got red on mine because my dashboard illuminates orange. I've got an Autotrail Apache 700, which is a Fiat Ducato. So I'm just putting this in there. Hopefully should be quite easy to fit in, so I'll show you that now. Right, let's pop this off here. See, that comes up there, and then here, take that out. There's a little rubber mat there, got my mine here, take that off. Ooh, bit dirty in there, sticky one's cleaning out that. And take the screw out there, as you can see there. Hopefully this should come out. And that's it. Once I get it out. Right, so I got the old socket out. So it's got two prongs on the bottom there. The other one had three on it on the plug there. One was to illuminate the bulb, which went on the side there, which I took off. So it's just the black and the pink. So the black's the negative and the pink is the positive. As you can see here, that's positive and the negative. It's upside down. That's the negative and that's the positive, and then they connect. I've just pulled the air out of there, and then the positive is the pink in the middle. Should just sit on there. I'll put it together and then I'll show you when it's illuminated. As you can see now, I've insulated the wires together. I've insulated the earth wire which went on there, and I put the positive on. The positive just saves me cutting the wires off and putting new sprays on. Obviously you have to check it with a multimeter, which I did before. I didn't show you that, but I did, just to make sure which is the positive and which is the negative. So the pink, as I say, is it pink or yellow? I think it's yellow actually. Yellow is the live, and the black is the earth. It's ignition live, the yellow, and the blue with the white wire, that's for the positive side of the illumination for your lights. So normally has a little light, but I'm not using that, so I'm just using the yellow positive ignition live, and the air fire off it, which I took out of there and put into the earth there, and it's really secure and tight. What I'm about to do now is shove that back in there. Sorry about the lighting, by the way, it's starting to go dark for some reason. As I say, it's only just gone 3:45. There's my camera. Push that back in there. Now put that back in. Put a screw back in there. That a bit of wipe out, I think. Right, so now I've turned the ignition on. As you can see, it's illuminated, so a little switch there and switch it on and off. As I say, my illumination on my dash is orange anyway, that's red, that's the closest I could get to. They had them in blue and they had them in green. That's cool. Then when you finish it, you just cover it up, and there you go. So that's how to change old cigarette socket in your motorhome, or camper van or car. Obviously this is a Fiat Ducato Autotrail Apache 700 I'm in at the moment, so the dashboard will probably be different. How to replace a socket in one of them for a USB for 2 ports in. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, that's a video how to change a cigarette lighter socket for a twin USB port. I've already got a cigarette lighter socket in my van, which is a Autotrail Apache 700 on a 2007, but I have got lots more jobs coming up on my van, which I'll be putting more videos on YouTube hopefully the next 2-3 weeks. But there's flooring to do in my motorhome there, as you see. That one's replacing. There's quite a few jobs. I've got another video coming up about this all Android 10.1 inch sat nav display screen I put in my motorhome. That's coming up soon. As I say, it looks better. It's got a sat nav in it now, but that was off Amazon as well. But that'll be on my next probably video. I'll do a review of that. But I'm hoping this video helps somebody who's replacing a cigarette lighter socket in their Autotrail or Swift motorhome, or even camper van, which has got to be a Fiat Ducato, or maybe the same as a Citroen Relay. I think they are. But thanks for watching anyway. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up and click that bell and click the subscribe button at the bottom for my next videos coming out to get an alert if you click that bell. Thank you, take care, bye.